Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is JHGIS22 from class 9E, and today I'm going to be doing my scientific work presentation, which is titled Smart Safety Lighting, Emergency Lighting Sensor During Earthquake and Power Outages. This presentation includes first introduction, which has background, problem statement, objective, and research method. Second is data analysis and result, which has tools and materials, steps, and result. And third is summary and recommendation, which includes conclusion. Without further ado, let's start this presentation by saying Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First is the Islamic value from Al-Baqarah ayat 286. Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. This verse reminds us that challenges like earthquakes or power outages can be faced with effort and preparation. Smart safety lighting shows this value by helping provide safety and support during emergencies. Next is background. People today rely on technology, and electricity is an important part of daily life. When the power suddenly goes out, everything becomes dark and can cause panic, especially during an earthquake. Regular emergency lights only work during blackouts and cannot respond to an earthquake. Because of this problem, smart safety lighting was created. It uses a vibration sensor to turn on the light during both blackouts and earthquakes. This system helps people stay calm, see clearly, and evacuate safely during emergencies. Then, problem statement. First, how does an automatic emergency light work during a power outage? Second, what components are used to make an automatic emergency light? Third, what are the strengths and weaknesses of an automatic emergency light? And fourth, how useful is an automatic emergency light in daily life? To answer that, we have objectives. First, understanding how automatic emergency light work, identifying the component needed to build them, analyzing their strengths and weakness compared to regular lights, and fourth, explaining their benefits in daily life. After that, research method. This experiment uses an experimental method. We test the smart safety lighting. The device is tested by simulating an earthquake and a power outage to see whether the light can turn on automatically in both situations. Data analysis and result. Tools and materials that are needed. First, Arduino, voltage or electricity sensor module, LED lights or small emergency lights, resistor if in need, breadboard if it's optional, jumper cables, USB cable for connection to computer, solder, and tin. Steps. First, I placed the electricity sensor module on the breadboard, then added the LED and resistor, connecting the long leg to pin D11 and the short leg to G and D. After the wiring was finished, I connected the Arduino to my laptop and uploaded a code. When everything was ready, the light turned on automatically when it detects vibration. Now, conclusion. Based on the experiment, the automatic emergency light works well because it can turn on when the power goes out and turn off when the power returns. This shows that the circuit works properly. The tools can still be improved, such as making the battery last longer and reducing the circuit size, which with this tool, people can still have light during a power outage. Finally, that concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time, attention, and guidance throughout this project. I hope my research on smart safety lighting can help life become better. JHGIS22 signing out. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.